Have you ever felt like you are being pulled in two different directions where your heart wants one thing but your mind says another? What if this emotional confusion isn't just in your head but also visible in your handwriting? I meet so many amazing women who say, I want to move ahead, but there's something inside me that holds me back. They start something new and they suddenly doubt themselves. They feel emotionally overwhelmed, constantly second guessing, and their confidence goes missing. This is not laziness. This is not weakness. This is what I call a wobbly inner compass. And surprisingly, your handwriting silently reveals it. Let me explain. Imagine you are in a forest holding a compass, but this compass keeps changing the direction every few minutes. One moment it says go east, then says go west, and then stops working. You walk a few steps, then pause, then turn back, and then you doubt your path. That's exactly what happens when your handwriting shows a variable slant, sometimes leaning forward, sometimes backward. It reflects emotional imbalance, indecisiveness, and internal conflict. Now imagine what would happen if this compass became still, stable, and reliable. You would finally know your direction and you would trust your choices. You would move forward, not with fear, but with clarity and confidence. That's what handwriting analysis and graphotherapy can do. It helps you decode what's holding you back and rewrite it one stroke at a time. Because the truth is, you don't need more motivation. You need inner alignment. And your handwriting holds the key to it. It's not about becoming someone else, okay? It's about becoming the more grounded version of yourself. So if you have made it till here, it's not by accident, okay? Somewhere your inner self is craving stability, a steady emotional state, a place where you no longer feel like swinging between emotions, directions, decisions, or moods. And I want to tell you that you don't have to figure this out all alone. I've been there too, confused, overwhelmed, and stuck in patterns that made no sense. This is your moment too, to pause, to reflect, and to take the first small yet powerful step towards your emotional freedom and clarity. So here's what you can do now. Take a plain A4 sheet paper, write a few lines on it, observe your slants. Are they consistent or are they changing? And if you see variability, type stability in the comments. And I will personally reach out to you with a free guide or decoding insight to help you begin your journey. Let's explore together what your strokes are silently trying to say, because your transformation might begin with just your pen. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.